Hello, my name is Rachel and I come from Malta.
My name is James, I'm from London.
I worked in the media and I can see all these actors and models with these beautiful teeth. So my teeth were stained and with smoking. I was embarrassed showing my teeth when I'm in front of them.
So I had a number of problems with my teeth. I had some gaps at the back here where I've had extraction and here as well. Also slight yellowing of my teeth by not looking after my teeth when I was younger.
I was doing searching on the internet. It came up Dentakay. I went in it on the site. I just liked what there was. And after about 4 to 5 days, I sent a message through the website. After a couple of hours, they respond back. I was really amazed by that.
I came to Turkey to get my teeth done. I was happy with certain bits of my teeth, so I researched online for different countries which are offering the best dental care in the world, and I found Turkey was the best.
I choose Dentakay because, as I said before, they contacted me immediately and they asked what would I like to have. It's not like went direct to the point, we are dentists, we do this, that and the other. No, they approached me and they asked what is my problem. That gave me more confidence.
When I arrived at the Dentakay, from the surgeons to the dentists to the assistants, everyone here, Istanbul, the city is great, the people are friendly, the hotel was good that we were staying in, and the restaurant food quality was good.
It's my first time in Istanbul and I love it. It's a beautiful city. It's totally different from where I come from. There is a beautiful culture. As soon as I arrived to Dentakay, apart from this beautiful clinic and its atmosphere, that it's like you are in Hollywood, they are amazing. Transfer me to the VIP area. They offered me coffee, tea. I've been treated like a Hollywood star. I felt like a Hollywood star. And now even better with these teeth.
Yeah, I'm really pleased about the result, as you can see. So, yeah, really happy, would recommend to family, friends, everyone.
What is going to change with my life? I'm going to smile more and show my teeth more while I smile and laughing. Even while I'm at the restaurant to eat, I will open my mouth more like, All I want to say now, because it's time for me to go, I would like to thank Dentakay for this beautiful work that they've done in my mouth.
Thank you very much, Dentakay.
Thank you, Dentakay, for what you have done to my smile.